Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Coordinificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Found. It's a song by Jacob Banks, and that's what we're gonna be doing today on guitar. I'm really sorry I haven't been uploading. I've been really just trying to, take care of my mental health and actually learn the algorithm to see how best I can improve the channel and improve the content for you guys. And one way you can do that is by commenting in the comment section here what are the songs you want to see on this channel. Although I won't really be doing as many tutorials as I have been doing all along, I'm actually going to start a live series where I go live maybe on a Wednesday or a Friday, and you guys just come in with all your particular songs that you want to learn, and then we do it on a live, and then I maybe upload the live later. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. And on the channel I'll just upload maybe the more popular songs, because it's not really helping my channel to do tutorials for each and every song. So yeah, that's what's up. Anyways, let's get right into the song. So this song is based mainly off of two chords, although we do have a C and a D at the end, but the main chords are G. Alright, and G is 3 2 open open 3 3, and then we go to E minor, which is open 2 2 open open open. So that's 3 opens at the end, open 2 2 open open open, and then we play the C. These are the last two chords, open 3 2 open 1 open, right? And then we have that D at the end, which is open 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 2 3 2. All right, like that. Now we're not really going to be holding these chords as they are. We're playing add nines for the C and suspended fourth chords for the G. Now those are just fancy names to state that you'll be holding the third fret of your second string, which is the right there. All right, the B string, the third fret of the B string. So for each chord you're going to be holding that. So we have a G, right? We're holding that third fret of the B string, and then we go to E minor. So that G was I think that was a suspended 4, and then this E minor is an add 9, and then we go to C, which is an add 9 again, and then a D must be suspended 4, I'm not sure, and then back to G. Alright, so I'm not really concerned about the names. I'm more concerned about the sound and making sure that you're playing it like it sounds on the actual song, right? So that's what I'm going to teach you. So for the beginner player, we're basically going to be strumming through the whole song. We have, so what do I do with this love I found? Okay, so we have a G, and then we go to E minor, and then we start over G, back to E minor. Sorry for that string buzz, it's a new string and I haven't really been playing guitar, so it's gonna be like that for a little while. Right, that's now C, and then D, then we're back to G. Just to conclude, and let me start G. Alright, so you have your G to E minor the first time, and then you do that again for the second time, G, E minor, and then you go to C, and then you go to D, and then you conclude with the G. Right, so my strumming pattern here is basically down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, throughout the whole song, okay? And if you're playing this for the intermediate player, we're basically going to be plucking the strings, right? So we have for G, it's 6 4 3 2, and then E minor is the same strings, 6 4 3 2, and then G again, and then we go to E minor, and then we play C this time. So for C, you're holding your C, and then the last note, you're just playing the B string, third fret, okay? And here I'm plucking 5 4 3 2. that's 4 3 2. So there's no part that we're going to be using the first string, right? That string, we're not going to be using it for this song. And then if you're an advanced player, you're going to be doing the pattern that they have on the song, which is basically alternating. So that's 6 6 2 3 6 6 2 3 6 6 2 6 6 2 3. Okay, so you have 6 6 2 3 6 2 3 6 6 2 3 6 6 2 3, and then E minor, and then you go back to G, and then it's still 6 6 2 3, and then E minor, and then now we go to C, and the bass is now the fifth string. So 5 5 5 2 3 5 5 2 3 5 5 2 3 5 5 2 3, and then for D the bass is fourth string, so it's going to be 4 4 2 3 4 4 2 3 4 4 2 3 4 4 2 3, and then you conclude with the G, which is 6 6 2 3. All right, so that's G to E minor, and then again. But I'm getting younger. That's C. I'm just a number. And then D. Oh, 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 oh. Then you're back to G. Alright? So say the word and I'll burn it out. Just play the chord and I'll bleed it out. Can you hear the choir? Can you hear that whisper? Oh, oh, oh. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this song. It's the same chords throughout the whole song. There's no bridge with a progression change. But yeah, that's been it. Please subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.